Top solar lead generation companies to boost your solar market success. AnyBiz. Dive into the world of solar lead generation and discover how top companies can drive your solar business to success. With the right strategies, reaching potential clients becomes easier, enhancing your competitive edge in the market. In the solar industry, a steady flow of leads is essential. As competition rises, relying on word of mouth isn't enough. Partnering with top lead generation companies helps solar businesses reach pre-qualified prospects ready to invest. AI advancements now streamline lead generation, using data analysis and personalized outreach to efficiently connect solar companies with high-quality leads. Growth in the solar industry relies on consistent lead generation. Solar lead generation companies identify prospects considering solar solutions, delivering qualified leads so businesses can focus on providing clean energy. This leads to higher conversion rates and increased revenue. AI tools like AnyBiz are reshaping solar lead generation by analyzing data to find ready-to-invest prospects. These platforms automate outreach, schedule follow-ups, and improve email deliverability, helping companies scale efficiently without compromising lead quality. Best solar lead generation companies. 1. AnyBiz.io transforms solar lead generation with AI-driven automation. Its AI agents handle prospecting, outreach, and scheduling, allowing solar companies to scale without traditional sales reps. With automated multi-channel engagement and lead scoring, AnyBiz.io ensures no opportunities are missed, boosting conversions and accelerating growth. Experience the power of AI-driven lead generation firsthand. Sign up today for a 7-day free trial and unlock all the features. 2. Solar Exclusive specializes in high-quality, real-time leads from homeowners ready to invest in solar. Their targeted campaigns ensure high conversion rates, making them a trusted partner for solar companies looking to grow quickly in a competitive market. 3. Specializing in solar lead generation, Solar Media Team uses content marketing, SEO, and targeted ads to attract high-conversion leads. They position clients as industry leaders and reach ideal audiences, making them a reliable partner for solar companies aiming to grow. 4. Helios Digital Agency provides tailored digital marketing for solar companies, using SEO, PPC, and conversion optimization to drive qualified leads. Their data-driven approach refines campaigns to target the right prospects, ensuring high visibility and quality leads for solar businesses. Relo Agency excels in solar lead generation through targeted marketing strategies, including paid ads, SEO, and content creation. With a focus on long-term lead nurturing, Relo delivers high-quality, sustainable growth, making them a trusted partner for solar businesses aiming to scale. Solar companies can generate high-quality leads in-house through inbound marketing, social media, and email outreach. Creating informative content attracts customers searching for solar solutions, while targeted social media and email campaigns engage prospects directly, fostering strong leads. AI tools like AnyBiz.io enhance lead generation by automating prospect identification, personalized outreach, and lead nurturing. Paired with SEO, content marketing, and social media, AI-driven tools boost lead volume and quality, streamlining conversions without extensive manual effort. For the best results, choose a company that delivers high-quality, pre-qualified leads matching your ideal customer profile. Consider companies offering comprehensive services like CRM integration and real-time lead delivery. Prioritize lead quality over cost for better long-term value. Maximize lead generation by engaging leads promptly to boost conversions and segmenting them by interest level for more tailored follow-ups. For those not ready to commit, nurturing campaigns with valuable content keep them engaged, gradually moving them closer to a decision. Don't miss out on our updates. Show your support by liking and subscribing to stay tuned.